Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rides Review Hub. Do not forget like button, share this video and subscribe my channel for more deep dives like this. Today, we're diving into one of the most capable compact tractors available in 2025, the John Deere 2032R. Whether you're a landowner, farmer, landscaper, or just someone looking for reliable power on your property, this machine could be the perfect fit. The John Deere 2032R is part of the company's acclaimed 2 Series, a line designed for users who need more muscle than a subcompact but still want the maneuverability and simplicity of a compact tractor. For 2025, the 2032R receives some thoughtful upgrades while staying true to what made it a popular choice in previous years. It's equipped with a Yanmar 1.6-liter 3-cylinder diesel engine, producing 31.8 horsepower, and a robust hydrostatic transmission. This gives you plenty of torque for both front-end loader work and PTO-driven attachments. Engine and performance of the 2032R is built for long hours and tough tasks. You're looking at a tractor that does not just start in all weather conditions, it thrives in them. With liquid cooling, direct fuel injection, and a Tier 4 final emissions rating, it runs cleaner, quieter, and more efficiently than ever. With 24.7 horsepower at the PTO, you've got ample muscle to handle tasks like mowing, tilling, snow removal, and more. The e-throttle function also automatically adjusts engine speed to your load, improving fuel economy without compromising performance. Transmission and drivability: the 2025 model continues to feature twin-touch hydrostatic pedals, which means smooth, responsive forward and reverse motion without clutching. This is a huge plus for beginners or operators who need agility in tight spaces. 4-wheel drive comes standard, giving you superior traction in mud, snow, or loose gravel. And with power steering and wet disc brakes, you get excellent handling, even with heavy implements or full buckets. Operator comfort and design: John Deere puts a huge focus on operator comfort, and the 2032R is no exception. The command cut system allows for quick and precise control of mowing height with the turn of a dial. The adjustable suspension seat, ergonomic layout, and flat operator platform with rubber floor mat reduce fatigue and increase visibility. A new foldable ROPS rollover protective structure is also standard, allowing safer operation on uneven terrain while still fitting into garages or sheds when folded down. Plus, for 2025 there's improved LED lighting for better nighttime visibility and a sealed electrical system for rugged all-weather use. Implements and versatility: this compact tractor is compatible with a wide range of John Deere quick attach implements. 120R front loader, ideal for gravel, mulch, snow, or debris. Backhoe 260B, great for digging trenches, landscaping, or even light construction. Mid-mount mowers available in 60 inches or 72 inches widths for efficient lawn care. Rotary tillers, box blades, and post-hole diggers all attach easily with the iMatch quick hitch system. Thanks to its Category 1 3-point hitch and mid and rear PTO, you can switch between jobs without switching tractors. Maintenance and reliability: one of the best things about owning a John Deere is peace of mind. The 2032R is built with easy access service points, tool-free air filter removal, and greaseless steering components, meaning less time maintaining and more time working. With regular upkeep, this tractor will serve you reliably for decades, and you're backed by John Deere's 6-year powertrain warranty. Price and value of the 2025 John Deere 2032R starts at around $25,000 to $30,000 USD, depending on configuration, dealer pricing, and attachments. While that may seem like a high upfront investment, what you're getting is a premium compact utility tractor with best-in-class features, exceptional durability, and resale value that holds strong over time. For landowners or professionals who want a reliable workhorse, it pays for itself in productivity and versatility. The 2025 John Deere 2032R is one of the most well-rounded compact tractors on the market. It offers an unbeatable combination of power and reliability, operator comfort, attachment flexibility, smooth drivability. Whether you're maintaining a few acres, running a small farm, or tackling landscaping jobs, this machine is built to deliver. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rides Review Hub for more content like this. We have got more reviews, comparisons, and how-to videos coming your way, so stay tuned. Goodbye.